This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and I hope you are having an incredible week. The weekend is just around the corner. It is very exciting, and I also have something exciting to be sharing with you. But before I jump into that, I want to give you a little bit of a backstory. What you're looking at right now is the CarawayHome website. For many of you that don't know, this is one of the most popular in-demand websites that our agency comes across when customers want to show us their inspiration. I would say roughly 40% of all entries that work with our agency reference CarawayHome. So when we work with the customer, we have something called an onboarding form, and we ask them, who is your inspiration? And 40% of them always point to CarawayHome. And there's a reason for that. CarawayHome is a leader in their space. You've seen them. They are everywhere. They are a massive company, and there is a reason why they sell so well. It's the love that's put into the brand. It's obviously the content marketing. And more importantly, it's the website. From the homepage to the product page, let me just show you one of their product pages now. Everything is methodical. Down to the add to cart icon, to the spacing, to the padding, everything just flows beautifully. It's clean, it's sleek. And of course, this company has spent millions and millions of dollars on ads, on optimizing, on conversion rate optimization. So what you're looking at is a website that has gone through many iterations and is super successful. So with that said, a lot of you may have watched our past few videos. We're starting a company called Page Jungle. What Page Jungle is, it's an indie marketplace where we're going to be selling Figma templates, Shopify themes, and go high level funnels. And one of the things we're trying to do to get more business is we're giving away free templates. And what we've done is we've created Caraway, which is pretty much the brother of Caraway. And what Caraway is, it's a Figma template, it's a homepage, and it's a product page, and it's based off the inspiration of Caraway. It's not exact, because as you know, that would just not be good business, but it is very similar in terms of UI, UX, and the small details like padding and everything else. With this Figma file, you're getting the homepage, you're getting the product page, and it's incredible if you're an agency owner or even if you're a Shopify store that's trying to get up and running from scratch. This is going to help you. The good thing about this template is that it's universal. You could use it for anything. You could use it for electronic, you could use it for clothes, you could use it for supplements. Whatever you're selling, you can use it for. Now, we're giving this away for free. It's absolutely free. If we were to design this for a customer, it would be roughly around $1,500 USD. So we're giving it away for free because we want you to join our Page Jungle group. And from there, you can go and click on a link or even in the comment section and get access to this template. So if you're looking to grow your arsenal of high converting landing pages and themes, then go ahead and find the link below, join our Facebook group, and you'll get access to it. All you have to do is visit the link, throw in your email, and within seconds in your inbox, you will get that Figma file. I want to thank all of you again for supporting us. If you have any questions, send over a comment, send over an email, and we're going to be doing this weekly. So at least once a week, we're going to be giving away a free template. Let me know what you think. And again, thank you for your support.